first toy that we want to show you is this baby stroller. Toddlers really love to take care of small babies because they think that they are big now. So this is one of those toys that will actually give them that feeling. It's a very realistic and a cute toy, and easily foldable and can be stored easily. It comes with a cute doll, but the doll is not that good in quality. So you can replace the doll with your toddler's favorite doll, and the toddler can enjoy walking with the stroller. The next toy is this kitchen set, and to tell you frankly, this is like one of my favorite buys for Inaya, because I feel that this is a very good kitchen set. Firstly, it can be packed into a suitcase, so if you're going somewhere you can easily pack it and take it with you. Secondly, it's battery operated, so it has both light and sound effect. I think these kind of toys which has both light and sound effect, they are very appealing for your toddlers, especially because they have that real life feeling that okay, when mama cooks there is light, there is sound, so okay, yeah, when I'm cooking then also it's there. So they have that real life feeling, and mostly when I'm cooking, then Inaya also copies me and says that okay, I am also cooking something for papa and all. So that way she gets busy, and it's a very good time pass for the kid. The utensils that come with this kitchen set are very sturdy and very good quality, so it will not break or go anywhere even if the child is throwing it or anything. You can also buy some fruits and vegetables along with this kitchen set, so that you can teach different vegetable and fruit names through the playing activity that baby does while playing with this kitchen set. The next thing is it's a gifting option basically for a toddler, is a school bag. So this is a Disney bag, and children these days are very fascinated with a few of their desired Disney characters, and Inaya right now was fascinated with Cinderella, and that is why she got a gift on her birthday, which is a Disney Cinderella bag. So as you can see, these kind of bags they appeal a lot to toddler, and this might actually make them think that okay, fine, if I can go to school with this bag, then I'm ready to go to school. So it might solve your problem if your child is not ready to go to school. The bag material is very good. It's very cushiony, and it's really soft material, but I can say that it's very strong material also. So if the toddler is not handling it properly also, then also the zips and all, they are not going anywhere. It has 3 compartments, so a lot of storage for you. You can when you are gifting toddler this bag, so you can put some different small things also inside the bag to make it as a surprise, like a pencil box, Disney themed pencil box. You can put some books, some Disney themed books or something like that, so you can actually basically make a full baggage of toys, and then you can gift it to the toddler. So I am guarantee you that the toddler would be very happy to get these kind of gifts. Inaya loves this bag, and every day when I play school with Inaya, so this is the bag that she carries. So that way I think that it's a lockdown, so she's not going to school, but she is using this bag still. So this is a very good gifting option. The bag is very good in quality, and it can be used much ahead in time also. Like the next toy is this puzzle set. So I must say that this is also one of the things that Inaya enjoys a lot. This is a wooden puzzle set. So we bought it basically it came with 5 different puzzles, and each puzzle has 9 different blocks to complete this puzzle. It's a very toddler friendly puzzle, I must say, because in the bottom there is this design of the puzzle, and then on the blocks the same design is made. So the child can easily match the design and put the blocks at the correct place. So this is very good for boosting your child's brain and stimulating it, and using their brain in full power. So Inaya enjoys it a lot because obviously her brain is working while working with this puzzle. So she enjoys it, and she gets that feeling that okay, fine, I can do it. And when she has done like she finishes a puzzle, so she is very happy because she gets that feeling of achievement. So I think it's a very good toy where the child can enjoy also, and the child is learning also. The next toy is Jenga, and yes, if some of you are aware of this game, then these games are actually not for toddlers, and I even did not buy it for a toddler. I bought it for me and my husband, and I thought that we'll enjoy this game. But obviously, if a toddler is at your home, then you cannot buy any single thing for yourself. You have to tell them that yes, this was bought for you. So that is how this game was introduced to Inaya. But oh my god, I was surprised, because this is a game. If you don't know about the game, just let me introduce it to you. Basically, it comes with 54 blocks, and you stack it one above the other. You have to keep trying to take out blocks one by one without letting the whole tower fall. So this is the basic game, and I was surprised to see, and surprised and amazed and everything, to see how patiently Inaya plays this game. Patience and toddlers, I think, two opposite poles, but oh my god, Inaya shows so much patience in while playing this game, and I'm really proud of her that she plays this game with so much patience. And dedication, and she doesn't want that the tower shouldn't be falling because of her. So we as a family enjoy this game a lot. Other than the stacking, there are different other things also that you can play with Jenga, like you can stack them one on the other, make different designs, different buildings, and then Inaya uses a block to actually make an aim and try to distort the tower or whatever. So these kind of aiming games, or you can line the blocks one up right from like all together, and then your child can see them falling. So that also Inaya enjoys a lot. All these toys links I'll be putting in the description box. You can go and check out. The next gifting option is this Cinderella carpet. So this is also a Disney carpet. I think the size of this carpet is very good, and it is anti-skid, so it's not going anywhere. It's a very good size, and you can easily put it on your child's, either you have a separate room for your child, or a toy room, or a toy area. So it will basically show that okay, this place belongs to a child. And this is very attractive carpet, so wherever you put, you will see that place becomes beautiful. Very good quality, very soft material is used, so it's a very good quality product. And Inaya loves it because obviously her favorite character Cinderella is there, so you can choose the carpet which has your child's favorite character to play with. Last item in our list is this suitcase. This is again Disney themed suitcase, and you can see Cinderella on it. So Inaya loves the suitcase. Toddlers like to be independent, and this suitcase gives them that feeling, because they have their own suitcase, they can carry it themselves, they can put their stuff inside and independently carry it. So that way it's very good. The suitcase is of very good material, and it's quite sturdy as well. The wheels, it has 4 wheels, so it's very sturdy and very good material, because Inaya falls, Inaya has been pushing it a lot, and the suitcase has fallen multiple times, but nothing has happened to the suitcase. So that way it's a very good material suitcase, and very spacious as well. If you open the suitcase, you will see there are two, the compartments are on both the sides. One is a zipped compartment and the other has elastic, so easily you can put all your child stuff in the suitcase and carry it with you. So I think it's a very good option to go for. So these were the things that we wanted to show you in this part. It had toys and it had gifting options. So I hope that you like these things. All these things from wherever I bought or was gifted, I have put the link in the description box, so you can go and check out. And if you like anything, then go ahead and buy for your child. So just keep enjoying our videos and keep sharing it with your friends or relatives or anybody who might be interested in our videos. Love us the way you do. Thank you for watching us, Docket Baby Rocks. Bye bye.